Alright, we finished our head. We got the head all done. Got the mouth put back. We got our wig piece on that we want. So he's ready. Last thing we got to do here, we made the body. So now we want to put our, connect our hands to the body. Make sure you get the right and left hand on the proper side. Side. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments or any suggestions, please put it in my comment section. I enjoy hearing what you have to say. Okay, we got our hands on, so he's ready. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little paste wax, and just as some preventive maintenance here, we want to put wax on the inside of our body here for the neck to slide around. It slides around much easier if you tend to wax it as a general maintenance. So every so often, put some wax, or if you notice that it's making a little noise or rubbing a little bit, put a little wax in there, and that will help that out. You can also put the wax along on the bottom here also. Thanks for watching.